Hello everyone, I'm Sharon, owner of Penguin Palace. I'm glad you're here. I'm super excited for this video because I finally get to introduce to you something that we've been working on for a while now, and these are called the Ready to Glow LEDs. Now I know not every card maker is into adding lights to their cards. Maybe it's just not your thing, or maybe you've thought about trying but just never got a chance to, or you might have tried before and found it to be too much work, or you may consider it to be too pricey. And I totally get that because some time ago I felt exactly the same way. And that is why I've created these Ready to Glow LEDs. We spend a lot of time and effort sourcing the best materials and in designing and making these so that they work right out of the box for card makers like you and me. We have two different groups of LEDs. The first series is the single LED units. So when you take it out of the packaging, it is all ready to go. Even the battery is already installed for you. All you need to do is pull out the insulator tab and the light will be activated. These single units are best for more simple scenes. They're also very good for putting into tags or ornaments. Now these come in 3 packs, 6 or 12. These are very budget friendly and again very easy to use. The second series we have is the 4 LED series. Each unit has 4 LED lights. These are all high quality PVC transparent wires. When you take them out of the packaging, simply use both hands to separate the units. The battery is already installed. All you need to do is pull out the insulator tab. These wires measure about 7 inches long, so they're long enough for your standard A2 size cards or slim lines, or even if you like to do 5x7 cards. These wires are very safe. If you don't need all 4 lights, then simply use your scissors and cut away the extra ones. These transparent wires are highly durable and flexible, and you can see that you can bend them however you like and they will stay bent. But of course you can re-bend them again and again to whatever curvature or shape you'd like, which is really essential during the card making process. Now I have a quick example to show you. For this card, I'm going to use the Dream Big stamp set from our latest summer release. I used the VersaFine pigment ink to stamp out my image. I then clear heat embossed it so that I don't have to worry about any ink smudging when I do my coloring. I colored my image with Copics and die cut it using the coordinating die. Then I adhered the negative from my die cut onto a piece of A2 size panel. I also masked off a portion of the panel so that I was able to ink the sky background to show up just behind the cockpit window and nothing more. I took one of the 4 LED lighting unit and began arranging the LEDs on the back of my die-cut image. As you can see, the transparent wires are highly flexible. You can bend them however you wish and they won't bounce back, which makes it really easy to secure them with tape. I did not poke any holes on my image as the lights will be bright enough to show through. Alternatively, you can still do that and then adhere the light on the back panel instead. Then I added foam tape around the lights and adhered the whole thing onto the back panel. Depending on the thickness of your foam tape, you might need to use double layers. Finally, I added my card base, a sentiment, and a little interactive label to finish off the card. I hope this video will inspire you to make some interactive light-up cards. As I mentioned, there's no assembling required or circuits whatsoever. They're basically ready right out of a package, very easy to use, and there's no reason why not to give these a try. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.